What is the importance of a title deed in property transactions? A title deed is a legal document that proves the ownership of a property. Verifying the title deed ensures that the seller has the right to sell the property and that the property is free from any legal encumbrances or disputes. What is an encumbrance certificate and why is it important? An encumbrance certificate, EC, is a document that verifies that the property is free from any legal liabilities or financial encumbrances, such as mortgages or loans. It is crucial for the buyer to obtain an EC to confirm that there are no outstanding debts or claims on the property. What does RERA registration mean, and why is it important? RERA, Real Estate Regulatory Authority, registration ensures that the property developer is adhering to legal requirements and delivering the property as promised. It helps buyers to avoid fraud and protects them from delays or misrepresentation by developers. RERA-compliant projects are registered with the Real Estate Regulatory Authority, ensuring transparency and consumer protection. Can I purchase agricultural land for residential purposes in India? In most cases, agricultural land cannot be used for residential purposes without legal conversion. Before purchasing agricultural land, you must ensure that it has been legally converted for residential or commercial use. Check with local authorities for land use conversion procedures. What is the role of a sale agreement in property transactions? A sale agreement outlines the terms and conditions of the property transaction, including the sale price, payment schedule, possession date, and other important details. It is a legally binding contract between the buyer and seller and is essential to finalize the transaction. How can I verify if the property is involved in any legal disputes? You can verify if the property is involved in any disputes by checking court records, verifying the title deed, and confirming with the seller whether there are any pending legal cases. Consulting a property lawyer to perform due diligence is highly recommended. What happens if the seller has unpaid property taxes? If the seller has unpaid property taxes, the buyer may be liable for clearing those dues once the property is transferred. Before finalizing the purchase, ensure that all taxes are paid up to date and request a tax clearance certificate from the seller.